Hey crafters, so welcome back to my channel. This is the second Mother's Day DIY video. But before we start, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So today we are going to see the tutorial of this beautiful card. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Some of the things that you will be requiring are cardstock sheet, ribbon, glitter foam sheet and glue. Take a cardstock sheet of 20 by 20 centimeters. Follow the exact same instructions as I am doing in the video. So guys, if you have created any of my crafts, You can post them on Instagram with the hashtag Let's Craft, and I will be posting them on my stories. So finally, our lovely card is ready. Give this to your mother and make her feel special this Mother's Day. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel as we are close to 40,000 subscribers. Thank you.